So we're here with Steen today, and we've noticed in the past that he smokes cigarettes. I'll go ahead and roll that footage now.
Good for inside. What do you want I speak?
We're rolling the footage of you smoking a cigarette.
Yeah, I smoke cigarette. I like to smoke cigarette. But today, JJ wants to show me something about electronic cigarette. And I never try. And now I not smoke 2 hours because JJ speak to me. You cannot smoke in the morning because you need to taste this. Okay, JJ. But if I wait 10 minutes more, I kill someone.
We have with us some special e-liquid made custom for me by Habu Vapor. My friend Nick sent us some, and he always comes through. He's got some of the best tasting liquid. I'm gonna have a adder flavor for this. It's like a raspberry lemonade. It kind of reminds me of shisha, but it doesn't give you black lung.
How you know my lung is black?
I don't know.
I smoke 40 years, 45 years. You're not dying now?
No. This adder flavor is delicious and I love it. There's a ton of different flavors that you can choose from. So press the button and then start inhaling. And then inhale it. Make sure it goes into your lungs.
Are you?
Oh, it got you, huh? Here, let's
My God.
let's take it now. I'm an experienced user.
This is really, really heavy for me.
Yeah, so let's go down to 6.5. I thought...
Sorry, but we have one ambulance. Wait,
The ambulance is coming.
Oh my God. I think it's much better now. Much better now. Yeah. The first one,
You took a rip, man.
It's really, really too heavy.
You look like Notorious B.I.G. puffing on a blunt. I thought I'd introduce this to Steen and see what his thoughts are on it, and I hope he gives it a try.
But if we not make video next week, because I die, and we have the Danish flag, and we have homemade Stars and Stripes.
He made me a Stars and Stripes.
I make alone.
Visit us on Facebook, How to Do Stuff with the Steen and JJ, and we'll see you guys next week, all right?
Yeah.